Hello students, this is Rupendra Soni and I am welcoming you all to our new class of Vmat, that is for chapter number 2, Analogy and Classification. So first of all, we learn about analogy. Analogy. What is analogy? What is an analogy? Analogy is a comparison between two things that shows a way in which they are similar. Means what we are doing in the analogy? We are finding out the relationship between two things, and same relationship will be find out in the two other things and compared. Okay, so as in the example 1 we can see here, okay, which number completes the second pair in the same way as the first pair. Okay, so first pair is what? 120 is to 12. Okay, and the second pair we have to find out. So as you can see that first number here, first number is 120, that is equals to 10 times of second number, 12 times of 120. So in the same way, this here the number at the place of question mark will be 10 times of 4, that will be 40. So 40 will be our correct answer. Okay, as you can see here, this answer is 40. Okay, now let us do some exercise question. Before doing that exercise question, let us learn about classification. So in the classification, a set of term figure will be given to you, okay, and you have to find out the similar property, and you have to group them according to their property. For example, four figures are given to you and three figure are showing the same property, so you have to group that three figure at a place and keep the odd one out from that. Okay, odd figure out from that. Okay, now coming to the exercise. Now the first question we have is of alphabetical series. So here ST is to RU, as WX is to what? Means ST is going to become this RU. Okay, before S what comes? R, as you can see here. Okay, and after T what comes? U. Before S we have R and after T we have U. Now you can see here we are subtracting 1 from the S and adding 1 to 2, and we are getting RU as here. Similarly, in the same way, we will subtract 1 from W and go back one letter back. So before V what is there? Before W what is there? We have V. Okay, and after X what we have? We have Y. So the answer will be V and Y. This is the correct answer. Okay, now moving further, these are some similar kind of question number 2 and 3. You can do it by yourself and you can ask us your doubt if you have any doubt. Now moving further to the question number 4, this is the analogy for numbers, analogy of numbers. See, 81 is to 27, as 93 is to what? So if you will divide 81 by 3, you will get 27. What you will get? 27. Okay, let's write here. So you will get 27. In the same way, when you will divide 93 by 3, what we will get? You will get 31. So the correct answer for this question is option number C, that is 31. Okay, now moving further, these are same kind of questions. Okay, now coming to question number 7. Okay, ACFJ is related to ZXUQ. In the same way, EGIB is related to what? Now as you can see here, the first letter is A, means the first in our alphabetical sequence, A is our first letter, okay, and Z is our last letter. So this is first and last. So can we say that these are the opposite letters of each other, like A, Z? Let I write here A, Z, B, Y. Okay, CX. This is the first letter, this is the last. This is the second letter, this is the second last letter, Y. Okay, this is the third letter, this is the third last letter. In the same way, you can write the whole pair. You will get how many pairs? You will get 13 pairs. How many letters are there in alphabetical series? 26 letters. That is why you are getting 13 pair. Okay, so A, what is the opposite of A? Opposite of A is Z, opposite of C is X, opposite of F is U, and opposite of J is Q. In the same manner, we have to find the opposite of this EGIB. So opposite of E will be V. Okay, opposite of G will be T. Okay, opposite of G will be T, and opposite of I will be R, opposite of B will be Y. So VTRY is our correct answer, and the option is option number A for the correct answer. Okay, now moving further. Now let us move further to question number 8. See here, this is the analogy. Okay, and this is the sign of similarity or proportion. Okay, as we have learned in the previous classes about ratio and proportion, the left hand side is here and this is the right hand side of proportion, or this is also called as similarity sign. Okay, so now in the first figure we have full circle, the second is half circle, means the full figure is getting reduced to the half figure. In the same way, this full figure will reduce to half figure and it will be like this. Okay, and the correct option for this question is option number C. Okay, so correct answer for question number 8 is option number C. Okay, now moving further to question number 10. What's going here? So this figure is to this figure. Now find out the same relationship between these two figures according to the previous relationship, like this. Okay, so now here you can see here this one of left hand side S, that is mirror image, is transferred to right hand side, and the right hand side one is transferred to left hand side, and this upper triangle has gone to down, and this downside circle has gone to upside. Okay, let I remove it. So in the same way, this triangle will go up and this square will go down, and this figure of left hand side will be made here and right hand side will be made to the left hand side. Okay, so correct answer for this question will be option D. Okay, the option D is the correct answer. You can check here. Yes, triangle is upside, square is downside, and this two figure of left hand side and right hand side has changed. Okay, now moving further to question number 11. Okay, now it is very simple now to you. This is a hexagon. How many sides are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides, and inside it we have two small circles. Okay, so the circle which are inside are coming out here in that next figure. Okay, this two circle came out, and the one side of the hexagon has reduced and become pentagon. In the same way, square has four side, it will be reduced to three side, means it will be a triangle, and this small circle will go out, and one dark circle will be inside of that figure. So the correct answer, as you can see here, for question number 11 is option number A. Okay.